People, I beg you ring the bell. Come now, time for work on Mr. Bennett Math workbook. Let's go. Big up. Thank you guys so much. I want to start by saying that thank you guys so much for purchasing my math pep book. Big up Mandeville, Walla Manchester, St. Elizabeth. Want come your way now. Ocherius want come your way. Big up Montego Bay. Big up Portmore. Big up the whole Jamaica. Thanks for the support, guys. Let's go. So here we say we have chapter 2, and this says 4 basic operations in mathematics are addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. As you guys are aware, I think you guys should be aware, right? That we have numeracy now added to the grade 6 thing. So guess what, guys? Everyone must be able to add, subtract, divide, especially long division, and multiply. So people, if you have not got your book as yet, let me just put my number so you can come and get your book. We deliver island wide via Knutsford or the post office. I don't know what you're waiting on. Some students almost zero the book already, Big up to those students. Yeah. But more big up the whole Jamaica though, because every parish support me and I'm so grateful for that. Me people always say if nobody live at Hanover, I'm sure people live at Hanover. Alright. Send book to Hanover. Big up. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much, guys. Alright. I want to focus on little teaching tonight. Me not promote nothing tonight. Alright, let's go. So we have addition, right? It says find the sum of 123 and 67. So if you are not aware, sum mean to add. So here's an example. Parents, when I say example in the book, example in the book. For students them. So you now cook your chicken, them not have to come to you every minute. You do not have to bust your brain. Get the PEP math workbook. Examples are there for the kids to follow. Alright, so a nice little cartoon there with the general put in. Big up yourself. We need to pick up that youth there, or edit the book. Yeah. I love what he did. Cause guys, me just write the plane something and him put it to the magic, so big him up for me. Wiz. I get him name and something and make anybody who are written a book, you can make him edit it. Alright. For those who have the book, let's go. Activity, add the following numbers. Start with A, guys. Parents, check if them are do it. Let's go, let's go. 569 plus 394. What's the answer to that? I big up some people in the chat if nobody did it. Me look what I go on. I'm gonna log on to YouTube and all guys and see. So students, if you are watching now or later, what people there, man? Yo, pick up for yourself. Guys, we just log on to YouTube, And I lie, I'm so grateful to Jah for give me the inspiration. Big up yourself, Xavier. And Xavier, big up yourself, We know. And I have to say a thing. Big up yourself, Xavier. Alright. So we have 4 plus 9, that's 13. So 3 carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. And of course 6, that gives us 16. 6 carry 1. Guys, you notice what Mr. Bennett do? Numbers under numbers, ones under ones, tens under tens, hundreds under hundreds. Parents, get the book, please. Alright? The kids they might miss a lot of classes, but with the book, it's like them get back all of the classes. Alright, me I tell Xavier. Alright, see there on the lie. Because in the summer, we do number theory. That is in the book as well. The students them can catch up. Think about it, guys. Let's say a child have a little problem with percentage. Convert percentage to decimal, fraction to decimal, and all of that. Guess what? You're going to pay me 1 hour money, which is $3,000. I could do that maths here. You pay me $3,000 to teach a child one topic. While you buy a book, we have every topic for 4,000. Which one has the better value? This, I literally put myself out that job with my book, guys, because it's structured in such a way that a child can just take it and just meds it and learn on their own. Let me share something with you now. We got Saturday class and I am so happy because I told my students that do the physical class with me on Saturday, they should just work in the book and a mark. When them come with the book, guys, me couldn't mark off what them do. Me have to do another book. Yo, big up on yourself, my students. Some people reach page 20, some reach 23, and it's 1 week. That is the objective, guys. We get the kids them to work. Sometimes my students' parents come and say, Mr. Bennett, them I use up the book. Then for wait on you? No. Work. And a chicken we a jerk. Alright, I could add that one. I come here, yo, me not lie, I shall be a selector and we chat too much. Alright, so we have 6 plus 8, that's 14. So 4, carry the 1. Notice I carry it, right? This is 110, I carry, this is 5 ones. So in essence, it's a 130, this is not just 13, it's 130, right? Because it's tens. So it's 13 tens, which is 130. So 7 plus 5 is 12 plus 1, 13. Xavier, check if them are do the right thing in the comment section for me. Alright? Battery kind of low, guys. Me just come from my cousin funeral. I couldn't even go to the graveside because me I say, yo, I have to run in to keep my mental ability class. Alright, let's go. Still happy now, guys. 5 and 6, 11. 1 carry 1. And of course, 7 and 8, 15. And 1, 16. Or you can say 7 and 1, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. So 6 carry the 1. And this is where I put down all of it now. So 9 and 1, 10 plus 8, 18. Parents, get the child the book, alright? I'm not gonna do all the questions. It's a few subtractions here. Students normally have problem. Well, not all from my experience, Sometimes when students come to me, they have problem. Look at that little girl. Guys, say, I know me not make me work the right way because guess what? I need to revise it, I need to go through, pick up the errors. I have a parent actually, helping me with that. But, I have to find time and go through it and see what I can improve on, what I need to fix. And then when in the book 2, I put it in there, how we are humans, All right, so here's an example. Subtract 348 from 862. Students normally have problem with these, when they have to borrow. So 8 from 2, you can't. See there, cross out the 6, leave 5, and you put the 1 there. 8 from 12, leave 4. 1 from 5, leave, no, 4 from 5, leave 1. And 3 from 8, leave 5. So, once the child have a little idea, there's an example for them. And here you say, try these on your own. So let's go, guys. Do we have to borrow in this one? Sure we do. All right, so 7 from 8, leave 1. 8 from 6, we can't. So we're going to borrow, that leave 3. This becomes 16 or 160. And this is 80, right? So if you take away 80 from 160, that's 80, which is 8 tens. And 2 from that leave 1. Big up yourself. All my students, thank you guys so much for the support. All right. You see that's something where girl have see it bright? So my students, them bright, Big up yourself, my students. 14 parishes in Jamaica. 7, 7. From 7 leave 0. 8 from 4, you can't. So we have 14 now, right? 8 from 14. You can call yourself 8. Put up some fingers until I reach to 14. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I see 6. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong. And then 1 from 5, leave 4. So that's 460. And guys, you have the mental ability test paper available. You can test your child with it. You get the paper separate from the answers. So you can go through the 40 questions with them. And the curriculum base is available as well. For a new question, no past paper repeat question, topics on the syllabus. So students, do that on your own, that bought the book, and you send me those so I can look at them, all right? Remember guys, more and more. Look at practice for the kids. Tell me, after the kids them go through this, guys, you know what gonna happen? Them concentration level will go up, So Bennett, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, guys. Big up yourself. All who support me. Thank you guys so much. So students, the activity there for you to complete. All right. And of course, we have multiplication. And as me say, cut that young man. Yo, guys, believe me when I say at the first me actually I look for my book like the right way. Me still no makes me book the right way, but me have to go do that. So me can and guys, let me just show you how the color code thing go now. So we are gonna use the 6 first, right? So we are multiply the product. Product means to multiply. We have to know those terms. Remember, numeracy is on your thing now, right? Product means to multiply. So 6, 8, 48. Notice it's color coded. 8 to 16. No, 6 to 12. Look on that 8 by mistake. 6 to 12 plus the 4, 16. 6. And you put on all of the 16, right? Put a 0 to all the space because we are multiply by the 4 now. 4 8s 32. And of course, 4 2s 8 plus the 3, 11. And then we add. And of course, I'm not going to show everything. It's a more examples. So the kids will get more example. Parents, what more do you want? The kids do not have to bother you. You can live your best life while your child is learning. So Benny, big up yourself for that. Big up yourself for that. All right. And of course, try on your own. We have this thing them. Guys, we're not go through every single thing, because I'm gonna do a master sheet with all the answers. However, I give persons opportunity to buy the book, do their work, and then we come with the answer and then we can compare. And I want the parents to be a part of that process and the teachers. I'm going to say big up the grade 6 teachers them who say, Mr. Bennett, I go buy a book from you. Still are waiting, guys, because the government send money. Just send it to me fast, all right, so we can do the thing. All right, so we have some more advanced multiplication because, you have to challenge the kids, right? Like, for example, I have kids that start with me from grade 4. They are pretty advanced, right? Whether more on a bragging, but I just the truth. So, you have to put some more advanced ones for them to try because all like these, they will just run through it and say, so things here the fun. So you kind of just give them a little, so they can do the thing and they don't get bored and so forth. And long division, so we show you the parts of the division. Enough people don't know them something here, guys. Right? You have the quotient, you have the dividend, you have the divisor, and you have the remainder in some cases. All right? If your parents not buying a book, please, guys, screenshot this. Parents, don't put your children through that. Just buy the book. Let them have the book, man. You can have it. They can look on it every time. You don't have to look on a phone. Come on. Get your book, guys. 876-549-2161. All right? And show them how to subtract all of those things. Tell the truth. The girl here not just do. The cartoon here just. And basically, guys, this is how you do long division. A lot of kids actually struggle with long division. So first, you're going to divide. Like, for example, in this case, as a 3 into 4 was 1 time. You multiply 3 ones 3. You subtract, carry down, or bring down, or put bring down in this case. And basically, you repeat the process. Guys, just get your book. Get your book. And for the teachers who said that they want it as a resource, I don't remember the word that you guys tell me, but you said that you're gonna put it to the book list to be a resource or something. What I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna revisit the book and put in some activities, more activities. Because for you, the teachers, I know the stress that you're going through right now. On a Sunday evening, you should be out having ice cream, never knows. I know what you guys are doing. Lesson planning, literally neglecting the family. I've been there, guys. I've done 7 years at the high school teaching, plus teaching my students online, and I know it's not easy. So my teachers, big up on yourself, much love, continue, fight the fight, because guess what? Every teacher can say, we not do this for the money. We do this for the love of the kids and the love of the nation. Because guess what? There's no money. Don't know what the government doing with our money. Our teachers need to get more pay. And trust me, when we reach high places, I go advocate for that. All right? Have to treat the teachers better. We literally neglect our family every day just by being a teacher. Even if you're not plan it, it just naturally happen. There were times when I was at my school PTA meeting and my son PTA was going on at his school and I have to be there. Right now, tears are running out of my eyes. Remember me tell you that. Think that easy? If you know, say as a parent and you can't go to your child, something, thank God he's an independent person who kind of do him thing on his own. And I take no credit for him work, guys. No credit at all. Most of the time, you come home, I'm sure I used to do. I used to teach from 8 o'clock to 2:30. I'm come home, I just food milk boat for him get. I have to the online 5 o'clock I teach. Go straight to 8 o'clock in the night, sometimes 9 o'clock on a Monday. Big up every teachers. You know some love one. So teachers, I have one in mind, I'm gonna make it easier for you. So I'm gonna go into the worksheet in the book, I'm gonna revise it, and of course, I'm gonna put the worksheet so you don't have to stress about that. You already are stressed about lesson planning, alright? So here is another example, guys, for the kids them. And of course, and I like the example here as well. Alright. We show it the decimal, how to convert it to decimal. I like it. Yo, Mr. Bennett, you do a good job, I'm not lie, I'm not lie. Not because me and you, or you and me, but yeah, we can say that, guys. I think I went deep in to cover the concepts and stuff. But of course, you know that, guys, everything need improvement. So I've already identified things that we need to improve on with this book. Parents have reached out to me and said, Mr. Bennett, I think this, guys, we take everything into consideration, all right? But we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix everything. Pick up on yourself. So, guys, I'm pretty tired. Parents, let's get the book, all right? Get the book so the kids them can get to work with me on the live. Let me see if I can see a few people. Today was a very long day for me, guys. Me literally just come from Portmore and something. See if I can see big up some people. How they on the live. Somehow it not show me who they on the live. No, no, I'm going with this live chat. I only Xavier alone did in. Well, at least I alone show me this. Guys, you need to get your book. And then we can come and do some work, alright? And guys, prepare for your exam. You know Mr. Bennett, always the pound team. Always and forever. Alright? So get your book, guys, and we can do some work. Could do that long division here. 160 divided by 4. So we have 4 into 1, you can't. 4 into 16. And this is how you can do it. You can just keep adding. So you don't know your timetable like that. You just keep adding 4 and see how many times you added 4 to itself to give you 16, which is 4 times. So you put it over the 6. I should have at least the space more, you know. I'm gonna talk to the general. I'm gonna do the next. I'm gonna do the corrections and whatever. 4, 4, 16. And I get 0. But it not finish, right? Remember, I have to carry down 4 into 0, 0 times. So it's 40. That's our quotient. And guys, one way you can check your answer, just multiply. If it don't give you back the product, it's not correct. So you multiply your answer by what you divide by, and it should give you this. And in this case, it give you that. So I want you guys to tell me what's the answer for this. But parents, and I real though, let's get the book. The kids them can get to do some work, alright? Big up all of my distributor them. If you're in Mobile, you can get it at 54 Market Street. If you're living in Portmore, you can get it at Portmore Mall. Alright? So you don't have to wait on Nussford, you can just go to Portmore Mall tomorrow and go and get your book. Alright? Simple as that. So guys, take care. I'm gonna try to get some little rest now. Pretty tired. Cause as I say, you work from morning. But next week Sunday again, gonna do some work from the Pep Mat workbook. Guys, and the reason I'm not run through everything because I'm not gonna do all the answers and then the kids. You know, you deny them the opportunity to do it. But we still make the parents aware of the quality and the reason they need to get this as soon as possible. Guys, me can't tell you, you can lift your nails. You can lift your ear and get this book for your child so them can get in the school of choice on a serious note. No,